Welcome to JKSRI English News. Let's have an exclusive report from JKSRI News Bureau Chief. Senior citizens in the capital are unhappy that the city council and the government have forgotten about the relics commemorating the monarchy. At Pujapura Junction, opposite the Pujapura Saraswati Mandapam, lies a century-old lord bearing. It was built during the reign of king using a lot of granite over 5 feet long, but one of the granite pillars is in a loose condition. During the reign of king, there was no transportation facilities like today. At that time, the king had built such a load-bearing stone on the side of road for the pedestrians and those coming from Tamil Nadu to relax and unload their heads. But with the advent of monarchy and the advent of democracy, the rulers have somehow forgotten to protect such things. The Lord Bearer is lying often lost in the rocks surrounded by forest. Even the word Lord Bearing is a word that amazes students today. But the main demand of the old public is that municipality, the ward councillor and the mayor should recreate a situation in which everyone can understand history in the face of such a need. Near Pattam Puttakuri Junction, the present AK, the 6 feet high Kalchak, which was placed in front of Gopalan Park during the reign of ruler, has been removed and buried on one side of the road leading to former Mayor A. Kunyiraman Road. Even the word chuck is term unfamiliar to students in today's world of education. No one is familiar with it today modern world except in pictures. Today the crane's help is needed to lift the granite chuck made entirely of granite. The granite chuck, which is more than 6 feet high and was built during the reign of ruler when there was no modern machinery like a crane. The ancients remembered it as old shaking. Let no one forget that it is a duty of rulers to ensure the production of such objects which are lying unattended in the city limits and to introduce the new generation. We never forget the fact that many of the things that built and maintained during the monarchy are still used by the new generation today, generations later, and are considered tantamount to neglecting the great monarchy and those associated with it who are alive today. Both are often in the wards won by Arya Rajendran, the mayor of the government's archaeology department, and Raju, the deputy mayor. The people of capital are of opinion that the immediate action taken by the mayor of Thiruvananthapuram, Arya Rajendran, who has risen to the highest position in the administration from the youth generation, will take immediate action to protect these matters. A great relief to the Kursan Pujapura market when the situation observed by Arya Rajendran, which has been lying idle and dirty for a long time. Construction work is in progress in such a way that the floors are beautifully tiled and modernizing surroundings, waste disposal system and improved electric system will be added to this market. The central government has asked the entire country to observe 2 minutes of silence on January 30th, the day of martyrs. The Union Home Ministry has written to the state governments and the union territories asking them to observe a 2-minute silence from 11 a.m. It is a part of commemoration of the martyrs who laid down their lives for the freedom of the country. Today, the debate began in Assembly demanding the removal of Speaker Sri Ramakrishna. Rarely has a no-confidence motion been raised against the Speaker. The no-confidence motion was filed alleging money laundering and extravagance. Prior to this, Speaker P. Sri Ramakrishnan moved from ties. The House is governed by Deputy Speaker V. Shashi. Children and adolescents are less vulnerable to the COVID-19 infections causing coronavirus but more infectious than other individuals. New research conducted on more than 20,000 families from Wuhan by American and Chinese experts have found. The findings of the large-scale retrospective study suggest prioritizing the timely vaccination of eligible children and their caregivers to prevent the spread of secondary infections within households. The level of COVID-19 infectivity in children should also be taken into account in context of reopening of schools, the researchers said. Mumbai Indians on Wednesday announced that veteran Sri Lankan bowler Lasith Malinga has decided to retire from a franchise cricket, a decision that he had informed the franchise earlier this month, hence making himself unavailable for the impending 40th edition of Indian Premier League. Mumbai Indians announced the news a few years after they had announced their 18 members retention squad for IPL 2021, which did not feature Malinga. Akash Ambani, owner Mumbai Indians, said Lasith Malinga has been at the core of Mumbai Indians for 12 years. We respect his decision, even though I would have liked to him a part of our bowling attack for another 5 years. Covaxin recipients will be monitored for 3 months after getting the second dose for any adverse reaction, according to detailed plan released by Indian Council of Medical Research in an attempt to dispel safety concerns about the vaccine whose efficiency data isn't publicly known. If a serious adverse event is linked to vaccination, then recipient will be compensated based on the National Drug Controller's recommendations after thorough investigation. Covaxin is one of the 2 vaccines, the other being Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine known locally as Covishield, being used in India's COVID-19 immunization program that kicked off on Sunday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other Indian leaders joined the world in extending their greetings to Joe Biden and Kamala Harris as they were sworn as the President and Vice President of United States respectively. Talking to Twitter, Prime Minister Modi said that India-US partnership is based on shared values and both countries have a substantial and multifaceted bilateral agenda. He further added he is committed to working with the President Joe Biden to take the India-US partnership to even greater heights. News winding up. Please subscribe to this channel and press the nearest bell icon to get notification of JK News soon after uploading. Thank you.